Hey guys, it's Squirrels Eat Skittles with Morgan. Amber! It's Squirrels Eat Skittles with Amber and Morgan, and today we're going to build... Amber! Today we're going to build our own burger, and Amber's laughing because she's building her own right now, and it's kind of weird. Amber. Amber.
Morgan.
What?
Morgan.
What?
Do you have an Uvu?
No. I'm getting a webcam soon.
Do you have a webcam?
No, I'm getting one soon.
Oh, shoot, because we could have did that. You could have filled the screen.
Okay. So we're going to build, Amber.
This is 865 grams of that.
Alright, we're going to build our own thingy, mabob. Let's do the triple
I
walk.
already did mine.
Okay. Oh, well then, film your own. Jeez. Okay.
I can't even see. Don't say dessert.
Let's do large.
I'm going to get a dessert.
Amber. Okay, Coca-Cola large, French fries salted large. That's already 2,150 calories, okay? So now let's add everything, okay? It's really funny. Alright, here.
Wait, how are you filming it?
Why am I filming it?
How are you filming if you don't have a webcam?
With my camera. How else?
Oh.
That looks yummy.
I'm going to get a shake. I'm going to get a chocolate shake add to my meal. I'm going to get a large.
Amber, this burger is, like, so delicious looking. I
I
want
know, I can't even see it. It's not even in the screen.
to...
I have 50,840 calories from a shake.
It's starting to go up. I can't even see anything anymore.
Side item. Oh, I'm going to get french fries. And I'm going to get a large.
So far, 2,430 calories. So basically, you just add everything until it's like... What?
Oh my gosh. You can add another burger to your meal.
I know.
I'm going to do that.
Can't even see it anymore, and you can't scroll up. Oh.
I added a tender grilled chicken sandwich and putting everything on it.
Amber, mine is already 11,390 calories.
Mine is, I'm not even done with mine yet. I'm not even done with my meal.
Oh my god. And the sad part is you can actually...
Some American cheese, some cheddar cheese.
The sad part is you can actually bring this into Burger King.
Some pepper jack slices.
Would you like anything else with that? Yes, I would. Bacon! You can add bacon to the Tender Crisp chicken sandwich! Oh my god. I want this sandwich.
Dude, if we do this, if we actually do this, how are we going to eat this?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm adding it to my meal. Oh my gosh, I have 29,080 calories. That's
Mine
a
is
lot of calories.
pretty big. Look at
You'll
that.
be fully obese after you eat a burger.
I know.
I'm gonna do a BK kids meal now.
Amber, just looking at this thing, I already gained 50 pounds.
I gained like 200 pounds already.
Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to press that.
I'm gonna get another dessert.
Add to your meal.
And I'm gonna get
29,970 calories. How about that?
I have 293 calories. And that's like, oh no, I read that wrong. I'm gonna get another side item. I'm gonna get onion rings. Oh my god, you can add things to your, what is this? You can add things to your onion rings.
Really? Large onion rings.
Zest sauce.
I'm getting a large onion rings with everything on it. Oh my god. Amber, 47,190 calories.
40,000? You're from 40,000?
47,000.
I'm gonna get a medium with
Hey, let's get a kids meal.
I'm gonna get another breakfast or something.
Sorry, we can't add any more items. That's what happened to me too. I can't add any more items.
When you come into Burger King, you can add as many items as you like.
Oh my god. When you come into Burger King, you can add as many items.
We should order like as many things as we can. And then we should go to Burger King and order more.
We should bring in both of ours. That'll be like 100,000 calories.
I have 32,130 calories.
It's a lot of calories. Well, thanks for joining us on Burger King Overload, I guess. See you next time. Bye. Part 2, buying the food, coming soon.